Good afternoon. Welcome to the online information seminar for the MSc BM at PolyU. My name is Dr. Andy Choi. I am the program director of this MSc BM, and I would like my deputy program director is Dr. Grace Chai. Today, I would like to discuss with you why you would like to study at the business school at PolyU and why this program, Master of Science in Business Management in particular. I will also give you some admission information, and in the end, I will answer your question in the Q&A sections. Now, before I start, I would like you to note that we will record this information seminar and upload it to the Study at PolyU website after the event. And we have already turned off your video camera. Now, during the seminar, if you have any questions, please post them on the Zoom chat box to Isabel form. Now, once you have the question there, we'll collect your questions. And as I said before, I will answer your questions in the end of this seminar in the Q&A section. Now, first of all, why you would like to study at the PolyU Business School? Our school is designed to pursue ideas that is innovative, driven education and scholarship with a 3D focuses on discovery, design, and delivery. Now, so if you would like to receive innovative educations and you have a desire to learn from discovery and design thinking and would like to know how to deliver your idea to others, then you're going to the right business school. Now, our school is a very comprehensive business school, and it is actually one of the biggest business schools in Asia. We have over 4,900 students and more than 54,000 alumni. And we have over 170 world-class scholars from all around the world serving us in the faculty. Now, in terms of our ranking, you'll find out that in various ranking exercise, we have ranked very high, in particular in the subjects of management and economic and business. You'll find out that we rank very high. Say in this page, we were saying that for if you're looking at management science, etc., they will all rank in the top 5. And if you go for the most common university ranking by subjects, like the Times Higher Education or the QS ranking, you'll find out that in terms of business, economic, or business and management studies, we are all ranked either in the top 30 or top 50 in the world. So if you study in this program, you will study at the high quality business educations. Now, our educations actually accredited by AACSB and ACQUIS. They set a very high standard for teaching quality. Only those business schools that can pass these high standard can get the accreditations from these organizations. So they're accredited by AACSB and ACQUIS, showing that our teaching quality is of a very high quality. We also have a lot of facility helping you to study at PolyU. We have a specialized teaching classroom for our students to learn, and outside the classroom, we have a lounge for students to discuss their project and get together. We also have a computer lab for our students to do their project and prepare for their studies. Now, let me go to why you would like to study at this program, the Master of Science in business management. Now, you might want to know, okay, what do you want to do in 5 years later? You might sometimes ask yourself what you would like to do, say, in the future. Now, regardless who you are and what is your answers, your answer must consist of two things. One is technical knowledge, the knowledge about the thing you want to do. Second is the management skills. And this program tries to answer you, provide you the knowledge on the second element, that is the management skills that need to develop your career. Now, the program aims to train the graduate to be a solution seeker in modern business. Okay, what is meant by solution seeker? It means that when your company give you problems to solve, you know how to find this solution to the problem and deliver that solution to your company, the peer, your manager, the senior managers in your company, or the colleague working with you effectively. Now, to be a good, excellent solution seeker, you need to be a doughty executive. That means you not only need to brave, tough, and you need to be a strong. Now, how to be a doughty executive? First of all, you know how to deliver the solution effectively. You have a global outlook because things happen, okay, outside Hong Kong or in a remote countries might affecting the business environment facing your firm locally. And you also have to understand one's ability and constraint so that you know which solutions, whether your solution can actually effectively solve the problems. You need to be a genuine person with an ethical mind, so you can not only contribute to your company, but you also contribute to your society. You also have a hard knowledge in business so that you can integrate knowledge from different areas in business to find out solutions. Nowadays, if you only have a knowledge in finance or management, it may not enough for you to cope with modern business problems. To find solution to modern business problem, you might need to think holistically using knowledge from different areas in business. And in doing so, you need a critical thinking mind and you have to think in a creative way. And once you have achieved these 6 outcomes, you can be a doughty executive. And when we decide the program learning outcome, we will try to help you to be a doughty executive. That is, our learning outcome focus on the application of concept, that is sound knowledge in business. We try to train you to have a critical, creative, and design thinking way. And you have effective communications, self-knowledge, and reflection, telling you how to find out your constraint or others' constraint and limitations and ability. You get global outlook training and ethical thinking. All these are the elements that can help you to be a doughty executive, to achieving all these goals that equip you to be an effective solution seeker. Now, the visions, as I said before, of this program is being a practical solution seeker. So I will aim to help prepare those junior to mid managers to be a solution seeker in a global and dynamic business environment. Therefore, if you are already in a senior management program, you may not suitable for this program. Okay, you probably would like to study an MBA program in our faculty. However, if you are just graduate from your college or you just have a few working experience, so you are either in the junior management level or middle management level, this program will be very valuable to you. And we will help you to acquire practical knowledge of management in different areas and to train you to know how to find out practical solutions to a business problem in a global and dynamic business situations. And will help you to make effective contribution to your companies in your future career. Now, therefore, because we target, remember, we would like to prepare junior to meet manager to be solution seeker. Therefore, our target candidates are those fresh graduate without working experience or just have 1 or 2 year working experience. And prior knowledge in business is not required, because when we design this program, we assume that our students do not have any prior knowledge in business. We'll guide you through all the major building blocks in business in different areas, so that eventually, after 1 year training, you can have all the practical knowledge needed for business management, and that can help you to become a practical solution seeker. Now, and this program is a 1 year full-time program, but as I would like to draw your attention that this will be a 1 year full-time intensive program. The workload of this program is relatively higher than a normal year in your undergraduate, because we have to introduce to you or guide you through all the major business concepts in various business areas, including accounting, finance, management, marketing, logistics, etc. Now, one feature of this program is international experience that I will discuss more a bit later. And as I said before, we will cover all the comprehensive coverage of all basic business areas. And we not only emphasize on the hard knowledge, we will also emphasize on the soft skills, that is your communication skill, and including design thinking and creativity. Now, we will also provide scholarship for international, local, and mainland students. And starting from this year, we are already including technological element into all the core subjects in this program, because nowadays, high technology is very important for us to find our solution to a business problem. So we including AI, blockchain, cloud computing, data science, and entrepreneurship in all our core subjects. Now, however, we are not saying that you need to have a very knowledgeable in coding, in writing program. No, that is not required. Okay, we incorporate these elements so that students can appreciate how this high technology related concept might affecting our way of thinking, and how we can using this technology to find suitable solution to a business problem. So technical training in coding, in writing program is not required in this program. Now, in the first semester, you need to study 6 core subjects. And in the second semester, you also need to study 6 subjects. 4 of them are core subjects, but 2 of them are elective subjects. Elective subjects means that you can choose from a list of subjects. Say this on this page, you will see a list of subjects of this program. However, you can also, if you want, you can select 1 subject from our list and then 1 elective subject from the common pool elective that share among all the business program. Or you can also take 1 elective from the MBA specialty elective pool. Okay, so we have a lot of elective for you to choose so that you can better tailor-make your academic interest. Say, if you are more interested in finance, you can pick up 2 elective subjects all in finance. Now, in this program, you have to study 36 credits at PolyU. And after the second semester, you have to join a summer program offered by our partner university. Now, that summer term we call international experience. Now, depending on which summer program you're going to, the length of the summer program range from about 3 to 4 weeks. And the subject offered by different universities, in each program are not the same. It depends on the management of our partner university. Now, what the student need is to study 2 subjects equivalent to 10 European credit or 6 US credit and pass the exam or any requirement to get these 10 European credits or 6 US credits and transfer that to PolyU. Okay, we only need to transfer the credit, not the grade. And after that, you already complete all the 42 credits and you can get your award for the MSc BM. Now, currently, we have about 7 to 8 partner university. The links are the number of partner university or the university in our list. We keep on changing. Indeed, we keep on enlarging the number of university in our partner university list. Currently, we cover those universities in Europe, in North America, in Australia, and Asia. And students are free to choose to join any program they want to study in. However, we do not want most of our students to attending the same summer program at one particular partner university. So we will set a quota for each university. That means the summer program at each university. Therefore, some students may not able to go to their first choice of summer program. Okay. That is for the benefit of the student because we want our students to have more opportunity to interact with students from other countries and have more interaction with the scholar from other countries. When we choosing all these partner university, we require that the business school of our partner university is either just like PolyU, is accredited by AACSB and or ACRIS. Now, through this summer program that can further enrich our students' international experience and gain global outlook. Now, in the 2023 intake, these are the university on our list currently. And remember, these lists are subject might change. Okay, probably we might have more university on the list. Now, our list currently consists of University of Ljubljana, the Leeds University in the UK, the SCA University School of Management, that is in Europe, and Singapore Management University, Copenhagen Business School, and UBC in Canada, and Sobridge in South Korea. Okay, and Adelaide at Australia. Now, let me go for the admissions informations. Now, first of all, this program, you'll find out that, okay, from the past several years, our students actually are coming from around the world. Okay, most of them are from Europe and Asia. Now, and the entrance requirement is very simple. You need to have a bachelor degree or equivalent qualification in any discipline. It could be in a business degree or law business degree. So even though you study mathematics, statistics, or engineering, medical science, you are also welcome to apply. But if you still study marketing management, still you can apply. Now, the only tricky thing here is that if you learn the teaching medium for your undergraduate study is not English, say you're learning a business degree in Chinese or in Korean language, then you have to get English test score. You can either attending a TOEFL test, a TOEFL score, or getting an IELTS score. Okay, and you need to meet the minimum requirement set by our university before you can apply this program. Currently, the requirement for TOEFL is 550, and for IELTS is 6. Now, please refer to the admission requirement section of the TOS postgraduate program at Study at PolyU for the most updated information of the English requirement. Now, remember, if you study your undergrad already in English, you don't have to give your English test score to us. You are qualified. You are eligible to apply. The English test, the TOEFL or IELTS score is only required for those candidate applicants. They are studying their undergraduate degree not in English. Now, after you complete all the 42 credits, you can get the award of Master of Science in Business Management degree. However, if for some reasons you may not able to complete all the 42 credits, say you only complete, if you can complete 24 credits, including 7 compulsory subjects and 1 elective, then you can get the exit award. The exit award is a postgraduate diploma. And remember, when we talk about the compulsory, when we looking at the exit award, the 7 compulsory subjects do not include the subject international experience. However, as a matter of fact, 99.5% of our students can complete, can get their Master of Science in Business Management degree in 1 year. Okay, now remember, this is a 1-year intensive program. You might imagine that you need to study your study in late August or early September, and then after the summer program, you may already in the late July or early August next year. So you need to basically study for 1 whole year in order to get this degree. And the medium of instruction is English. Now, currently, the fee for the local student is around 300,000 Hong Kong dollar for the 36 credit at PolyU. Now, remember that local fee does not including the fee for the summer school, because the fee of the summer school vary across program depending on which university you are going to, and you have to pay directly to the university that offer the summer program. So the local fee or the fee you see on that page, either the local fee or the fee for the non-local student, are all excluding the fee for the summer program. For non-local student, okay, the 36 credit at PolyU will cost you about $313,000 and $230,000, $230,200. Okay, now let me give you a rough idea about the fees for the summer program. Now remember, this information will change, okay, because it will change year by year depending on the management of our partner university. The most updated information is that if you're going to the summer program at University of Ljubljana, the cost is about €1,200. That will including the cost of accommodations. If you're going to Leeds, you need to give a pound about £3,200. Okay, again, the fee including the cost of accommodations. Okay, if you're going to Copenhagen Business School, the fee in their local currency is 28,500, but excluding cost of accommodations. If you're going to Singapore, the SMU, they will call you about $5,700 local currency. Again, this fee excluding cost of accommodations. If you go to ESCA, the fee varies, okay, from 3,900 to euro to 1,500 euro, depending on which summer program you're going to offered by this ESCA School of Management. Okay, some of the fee including the cost of accommodations, some does not, some do not. Now, if you go into the UBC, then you the local currency, the fee in local currency is 5,500. If you go into Soulbridge, the fee is around US dollars 3,200. So you can see that the fee vary a lot. So it all depending on which university, which program you're going to. Remember, you have to pay the fee directly to the university that offer the summer program to you. We prepare a very generous scholarship for our students. Okay, we have a scholarship for tuition fee waiver scholarship for international students. We also have the same scholarship for local students and those students from the mainland China. And the total maximum amount of each scholarship is around 363,000 Hong Kong dollars. Again, this number might change. Okay, it could be higher than that because we are reviewing the scholarship amount. But today, this amount is about the maximum scholarship we can offer to a particular student is about 363,000 Hong Kong dollars. That is equivalent to US dollar 46,000. Now, out of that maximum scholarship, okay, this maximum scholarship consists of a full tuition fee waiver plus a living allowance. Okay. The difference between these two components is that the tuition waiver scholarship can only use to pay for your tuitions, but the living allowance is a cash subsidy. Now, if you would like to apply, when you apply for this program, and also want to apply for the scholarship, please upload your application through e-admissions at Study at PolyU. Or you can directly submit your application form to the email address here. That is the official email address for the MSc at PolyU. Now, remember that your admissions and your scholarship applications are handled by different interview panel, different panel. So whether you apply for scholarship or not will not affecting your admissions. Your admission applications. They are totally independent. Now, for the local student, for two compulsory subjects. One is global economics, the other is ethics. You can claim the CEF funding from the government. Remember, this is only true for the local student, the Hong Kong citizens. Okay. So after you complete these two subjects, you can submit the application form to the CEF and claim some subsidies, cash subsidy backs from the continuing education fund of the Hong Kong government. Now, if you want to know more information about CEF, please visit the government website on CEF, as I put down here. Now, my final wording is that please apply now because we have already started our interview, and the application will end in late April. And however, we'll start to give out offers. So once the quota is filled, then we can no longer, if you apply late and our quota have already been filled, then we cannot entertain your applications. So in order to get into this program, you have to grasp the chance and apply as soon as possible. Now, if you want more information for academic matters, say you can contact me at this email address, andy.choi@polyu.edu.hk, or the Deputy Program Director, Grace Chai. But for most likely, your question is on admin-related issue. Say when you can get the interview result, when you can have interview, or things like that. Okay, you can contact our office. You can contact our office either by giving us a phone call or email us at the official email address. And to get more information, you can also visit our website. Thank you for your time to listen to my presentations. Now, remember, if you want to know more information, you can remember either for academic questions, you can either email me. For administration questions, you can post to the official email address. You can send us the email using the official email address. Now, finally, I would like you to scan this QR code. That is that if you scan that and fill in your personal details, then we can update you about our future activities, seminar, or workshops. But if you have already filled in your consent form, you don't have to do it again. In case you have not yet do so, I highly recommend you to do it by scan the QR code now and then fill in the form so that we can update you about, share with you about all our future activities and informations. Now it's time to end my information seminar. And again, thank you for attending my information seminar today afternoon. Hope to see you again and hope that you will join this program in the future and at least apply for this program. Thank you. Bye-bye.